In this video, I'm going to show you why you should use a lint roller to clean your lampshade. Fabric lampshades tend to be dust and animal hair magnets. Just look at how much dust has collected on this lampshade in my hands. It was something. You can't just wash these things though. You can't put them in a washing machine, and beating them with a dust cloth just sends dust back into the air. Vacuuming them can be awkward, and if they're fragile and brittle, a vacuum with enough suction could end up damaging them. I have found personally a lint roller to be the most effective way to get them clean. It's cheap. You can buy a lint roller from the store for a couple of bucks, and it's pretty self-explanatory. The lint roller is sticky, so you roll it up and down and all around the fabric, and the dust just sticks to it. When the roller gets full of dust and it quits working, you just use your fingernails to peel off the old sheet to expose a fresh new sheet that is sticky again, and it will continue to work for you. And as you can see, I've used quite a few adhesive sheets on this one. Typically, if the lampshade isn't too bad, it takes less than 30 seconds to clean it, but this lampshade clearly hadn't been dusted for years, so it's taking quite a bit longer. If you've ever wondered how to clean gutters clogged with leaves, click the video on the screen now, give this one a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.